if you have a really strong internal implementation champion, oftentimes they are going to end up being the go-to person down the road after you go live.
From a DBA perspective, you no longer need a skill, but you still need somebody. In our case, we centralize the security maintenance on it could be design IT, provisioning, user access. But as far as what you're saying about the SME, there was a big back and forth argument that we have internally for 2-3 months. And the decision finally boiled down to one thing. If we have the business owner managing it and running the tickets and doing the design, that's great. But we are doing this as an end-to-end process in the financial supply chain. And what ended up happening in what we have seen in the past is finance is going to champion what's best for themselves. Supply chain going to champion what's best for themselves. And end up, you have a lot of issue in the integrations. And that we saw it today in our system on-prem solutions. And we say we cannot repeat the same mistakes where everybody look at the best interest of themselves without looking at the best interest of the company. And we decided we need a group of people that work with both sides, look at the end-to-end process, whatever configuration we're doing, whatever process we're doing has to have the company best interest in mind. That means sometimes it could be best for finance, sometimes it could be best for supply chain, but ideally for best for both. But there are cases there going to be some tough conversation between the two groups.
My experience has been twofold. It actually goes back and forth. If you have a really strong internal implementation champion, oftentimes they are going to end up being the go-to person down the road after you go live. Sometimes you can have an IT resource be part of that group. In the end, you still need to have a champion, doesn't matter what department it's in, who's going to take the responsibility of addressing software concerns, process concerns, deployment, implementation concerns. All of that has to go somewhere. Somebody internally has to be that champion. And my experience says it can be in any department as long as somebody wants to carry the torch.